people. So watch me now, no. Duck flower. See it here, you know, it is a water plant. You see me? Very stink, have a pungent scent, right? In normally the near to river. There's a river over there and across there because that's where we're finding it. As you can see, it's a vine. It's our vine because I run on a vine. See it here? Yeah, man. And these one has gas in them, can become very poisonous, so it has to release the gas. Look at this one, like how this one. So because of the shape, why then call it a duck flower, because if you sit in a particular way, it look like a resting duck. You understand? Yeah, man. So it is used for the reset of one's stomach. You can use to purify the blood. You understand? I'm coming with it. Yeah, normally it's so strong, you can feel it churning and moving my stomach based on how it is strong here. So, me normally no advise as a herbalist to take this as is. Me normally tell you that to quail it or dry it a little bit more so that some of the toxin can remove from it. It depends on your body mass. One flower is probably for a person with big body mass. Probably me, I would go for one flower, even though I'm not so big. But I would advise you to take your time. Normally, when it's dry, because it's a water plant, you're supposed to soak it in water to rejuvenate and rehydrate it so that you get back in life before you take it, right? Some people blend it up, some people cut it up and take it with the water. It depends. Some can eat it as is, but it's up to you. You understand? Yeah, man. I will be telling you. So look at these. I will be telling you. It's from the I will be telling you the botanical name. The botanical name is Asristolo